Hi, Mark Fraser, Edwards Garage. Today I want to show you this 2018 Chev Malibu with the LT package. Now it comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, great power with great fuel economy. Couple slight little scuffs here, but nothing major. Automatic headlights and they're halogen. We have heated outside mirrors. And you see down the body here, it's quite clean. No noticeable dents or scratches. So on this 2018 Malibu, it does have power trunk release. And like most of our cars, lots of cargo space in there. Also comes with the backup camera for safety. Just want to show you down the side here. Tires are in good shape. No major dents or scratches. Couple little scuffs. Overall good condition for the year. So just on the driver's side here, just want to show you quickly a few of the options. It does have power windows with the automatic drivers down, the locking windows for safety, the power adjusting windows. And then over here we have the automatic headlights, as I mentioned, outside. And now I'll show you some of the features in the interior. So we're inside this 2018 Chev Malibu with the LT package. Just wanted to point out a couple of the safety features first. It does have the 10 airbags. It has stability and traction control, the backup camera, as I pointed out earlier by the trunk, and it has tire pressure monitor system up here. With that as well, we do have the OnStar package, which is exclusive to Chev and GM products. And some of the other features I wanted to touch on were the steering wheel controls. We have cruise control, your Bluetooth controls, your driver information controls, and you have your paddles on the back here for your volume for your radio and favorite scroll. Now over here on our screen we have our digital touchscreen radio. We have projection, which can actually bring up your phone so you can easily navigate through a summarized version of your phone screen. You can actually use your Google Maps if you don't have navigation and bring your map right up on here. Down here we have your AC, and we have your traction control disabled, stability. We also have USB ports up under here where they're hard to see, but there's two there along with a 12-volt plug-in. So now I want to show you the back and just show you the condition it's in, and so I'll meet you back there. So just in the back seat here of this 2018 Chev Malibu, see it's in very good condition. A couple things I want to point out. It does have two USB ports down here, along with a 120-volt plug-in, and then also your 12-volt plug-in here as well. One thing I forgot to mention out front is that this is a keyless entry system, so as long as this is in your pocket, you can open your doors, and it comes with command start as well. So there you have it, 2018 Chev Malibu with the LT package. Now this vehicle is a leaseback. I have all the maintenance records on it. We've maintained it here at the dealership. It's got very low kilometers, just over 16,000. And we have it priced at $17,995. A nice little low mileage car at a good price. If you want to test drive this vehicle, give me a call at 403-845-3328 and I can set that up for you today.